to fix Snapchat SS06 device ban problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and search Snapchat. If there is any update available, click on Update. Sometimes not updating may cause some issue. After it's updated and it still does not work, what you can do is go back from the Play Store and hold on to the Snapchat app on your home screen. Click on App Info. After you have clicked on App Info, click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. After that, in here, click on Clear Cache. After you have cleared the cache, simply go back and then scroll down your notification bar from the top. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch your account to data. If you're using data, switch to Wi-Fi and try logging in. If it still does not work, what you can do is open Settings, scroll down in Settings. At the bottom, you will find Utilities. Click on Utilities in here. Then click on Parallel Apps. Then search for Snapchat in here and turn on Snapchat. After you've done that, you can simply open Parallel Snapchat app and try logging into your account. This is how to fix Snapchat SS06 device ban problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.